All right, so let's talk about one of the most misunderstood and mismanaged aspects of running a business, cash flow. That thing that keeps your lights on, your team paid, and your sanity mostly intact. So at Astera Group, our CFOs use some pretty sophisticated tools for forecasting cash flow. For monthly planning, we've got systems and software for that. But when things get tight or you need a weekly picture, guess what we use? Spreadsheets, Excel and Google Sheets. Simple, effective, and most importantly, it works. And I'm going to give you the exact model that we use for our real clients right now for totally free. This is the same tool our CFOs use to manage cash for companies earning millions and millions of dollars. It's proven it's easy, and I'm giving it to you. Why? Because if you're running a business making less than $2 million a year, I want you to have the tools to grow. And someday when you hit that $2 million mark, maybe you'll think of us as your fractional CFO firm to help you grow even further. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start forecasting like the pros, head over to asteragroup.com/cashflowforecaster. There's some hyphens in there, but I'll put the link below. And you can download the tool, both in Excel and Google Sheet formats. Both of those are available. It's free, it's easy, and it'll save you a lot of headaches. All right, check it out. See you after 2 million. Take care.